Good morning. It's Sunday. It's a nice chilly morning in winter, well, nearly winter, and as you can see, the sun is shining, so Heinz is coming around. Hopefully we're taking this opportunity to make the best of the weather before it gets too cold. Trying to make some progress today, so it's going to be one of those days where we'll probably get a lot done, or we're probably not going to get a lot done. A few things that I'm a little bit worried about is to undo the flywheel from the engine. Apparently we need that special tool to lock the flywheel, and I can tell you we haven't got one of those, so goodness knows what we're going to do. Hopefully it'll just come off quite easily. Chances are I won't. Once we've done that, we've got to take the header case off, and then we can split the side of the engine open and have a look at that cam chain. So I'm hopeful everything goes smoothly. I think, as you guys know, nothing seems to go smoothly with this car, so I don't know, more to come. Heinz will be with me shortly, about 45 minutes or so. He's just catching the train, and as you can see, autumn's definitely here.
Morning.
So, you want to give us a quick update?
Yeah, so we've got the flywheel off,
Yeah.
which is lying down there, if you want to show them. It's a little more difficult than anticipated, but that's fine. Otherwise we're trying to get the valve cover off, and you're trying to get the cam chain cover off.
Yeah, and I've loosened all the bolts. We've just got one little bolt that's stuck, and maybe we can demonstrate that to you here. I don't know if you've got a light, Heinz. As you can see, it's stripped to shreds, and we're having a major issue trying to get it out, so I'm going to try and do it in a minute.
Cool.
Yeah, updates to come.
Right, there you go. Side to centres.
Status reporting.
So we've got the flywheel off, as we said before. Now we've taken the cam cover off, so we've got access. As you just saw, we can see the cams. We're trying to sort of somehow get the engine so it's not suspended, because we need to change the head gasket. But the engine is currently suspended by the head, so we don't want obviously everything to fall apart. So we're trying to figure out firstly how to do that whilst keeping the engine inside the bay. And then we can sense the engine, take it off, carry on with our lives.
Complicated.